Yeah. So, welcome. I'm starting again building this thing that I've been trying to make for like a year, but actually I've been trying to make for like 10 years or longer. So, we're taking an actual crack at it now. Well, another one. Um, Sweaty. So, we'll see what happens. I've only really done about 3 prompts here, and this is what it looks like. Basically, I wanted it to strip all the styling because, Codex makes everything look ridiculous. And I kind of don't like this aesthetic either. I also don't really like these sliders. I don't really like having anything that has to have sliders. I mean, it's kind of cool, but they don't even really do much, you know? Like, there's really not, other than this text thing, which I don't even know if I really like this weird lyric engine that doesn't really need to be there. Um, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if these little sliders survive. But right now, what it's doing. So basically, I decided after the last time I made this that each each part of it needs to be compartmentalized and managed by a different agent, and then all the agents come together and they're like, yes, this makes sense. So that's what we're working on right now. I'm basically working on the strudel component at the moment, which means it has to understand strudel syntax. It has to understand music theory. It has to understand songwriting. It has to have good references for what makes a good strudel song. Um, because a lot of the time, I mean, the prompt I always use is emo trap country. So, I'll put that in and then it'll just throw in some random bullshit that'll like not. Okay, so theory, mutation, style, reference book here. So this is what it's got for me. Um, I don't even know what these buttons do. What is this? Oh, safe mode. Okay, that I like safe mode. Safe mode is good. Okay, so let's try emo trap country. Oops. Maybe if you see, there's nothing. This is not. Okay, so these are known good examples. So this is just all strudel syntax reference here. Okay. Okay, maybe it's not supposed to do anything yet. Okay, you don't have to change anything. Please don't. But is the prompt not supposed to actually do anything with strudel yet? Um, to prompt audio separately from prompting visuals both in 3JS and HTML/CSS overlay. And now the prompt box does not actually place true to audio. Audio prompt path, visual prompt path, doopy doo should be separate hands. Current system has a start of that. Okay. Yeah, I think the lyric generator type shit you got going on here initially could be folded into the HTML CSS generative overlay because I really like when you can make the lyrics bump to the beat. I think the lyric engine should also be separate. La-di-da-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. Is anyone watching? Let's find out. Yeah, someone. Okay, cool. Hi. Okay. Text. Pal. Sorry for my. Um. Okay. Let's go piece by piece. Um. Modular way to build this without. So that, for example, I could utilize the visual part without audio and vice versa. I want each component to be incredibly robust on its own. What is the order in which we can build this, which would be the least likely to fuck everything up? What sucks is I told it I have a bunch of strudel examples, but I actually don't. So, um, maybe, well, I guess, all right. Because, my all my shit got hacked. So. Uh, okay. So, does not create the least dangerous build order, hardened scene core, make schema sections explicit, music, audio, visual lyrics, early performance assets, add permissions. Okay. Okay, please proceed with making the shit robust. I forgot what it was called. That's so boring. I hate how it's doing that. Okay, so while it's doing that, I kind of want to grab a new here. Um, I turn to window and probably give it this. So codex. Hello. Can you copy this repo and get it running locally for me, please? Thank God for backing things up. So right now I'm pulling the old version of this thing so that I can make some kind of like crappy strudel example. I mean, not crappy, but like some basic strudel examples to feed into, because I at least know that the strudel engine on the other app is pretty good. Also, I don't know why my cursor does this. It only does it on iTurn when it's over the text. It's annoying. Okay. Every angel is a weather report. Durr, durr, durr. Who knows what the fuck version this is either. Every angel is a weather report. What does that mean? Every angel is a weather report. That's so retarded. I fucking hate AI. Someday I'll have some like really chill music playing. I'll have my AI DJ popping off in the background. I mean, I could do it right now, but I just don't feel like it. Maybe, maybe. Send amphetamines. Send amphetamines. If you were to support the project. Okay, I'm just kidding. But yeah, text overlay. That's much better. Better lyric, for sure. Text overlay. Text overlay. Text overlay. Text overlay. It's like, the original lyrics to Yesterday by the Beatles is actually scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. That's it. Let me get wrecked again. It's gonna be so sad. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is actually not a bad version. So, wait, okay. So this one, window. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Safari. Get it small. Get up there. Go up, go, go. Do, 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 do. Okay. So, actually, can we put you in front of the little doohickeys there? Okay. So, you know, trap country. Oh yeah, I have to connect this to that. And I have to connect this to that. Dang it. Dang it, Bobby. Alright. Let me find a key somewhere. Need a key, 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 need a key. Give me a key. This is ridiculous, by the way. I have like 50 text edit pages open with all just nonsense crap. Okay, I don't have one. Uh, platform. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Ding ding gong gong. Okay. API keys. Create new one. This is for strudel. Create it. Yes. Copy. Yes. We paste and we save. Okay. Now go away. Fucker. Okay. Um. Okie dokie. So emo trap country. Verify blah 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 blah. Okay, text overlay. Isn't it annoying how it always moves like this? Like that's like the one motion. Like is that what GPT thinks that human movement is like? Also, these fucking sliders don't even do shit. Like, like this barely changes the angle of it. Like, okay. Um, and like, why is this at the bottom? It's like, okay. So maybe for the dash, lyrics and overlay, separate systems, lyrics and what? I don't even care about this part. This was just thrown on in the last minute. Visual and studios, only music. So fuck you. Added lyric overlay designer, manual overlay designer controls, scene migration, so I'll save text, so still loads. Verify. Browser reload. Okay. What makes the next the most sense to do next? Let's see what this caveman. No, no. Um, please, just give me something else. That's like the default pattern. This shit is so broken now. Okay. That's pretty good. That's what I wanted. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's kind of weird that like weird dog barking shit. It like loves throwing into like dog barks and crow noises. Patch preview. Agent command returns a proposed patch. UI shows which specialist answer, which section it wants to edit. Exact patch JSON warnings. Apply reject. Engine isolation tests. Manual engine demo. Okay, sure, why not? I really don't care about these particular features that much, but if you say so. In the meantime, I will work on making good references for strudel code. Okie dokie. All right, so this is the old loop rooms thing here. Um, and I actually kind of like some of this, the way that this works, but okay. What's great about this is you can just, you can kind of just use the REPL here as your holding. I'm just going to save this. Where is it? New. Yeah, so it should be a, oh, okay, new. No. All right, there we go. All right, so what should be the next thing? Let's try, let's say Gameland, rhythm game, K-pop, honky, tonk. What is that shit? Like line dancing? Dancing. Um, hello. Why can't I hear it? Is it? What's going on? What's going on, gang? Why can't I hear it? This is some kind of routing issue. Because is it just going too hard and I can't hear it because it's going too hard? That's probably what's going on here. Can you guys hear it? No. Here. You know what? You know what? Oh, so we're just not playing audio anymore for me. Thank you. These are like, this is so annoying. I hate web audio sometimes, dude. Okay, so we're gonna try this again. Slow, Baroque, harpsichord. See if this works. Okay, that all sounds good, except I don't want to do overlay engine V1. I want to work on Strudel engine. So annoying. See, this is why we don't use Safari, gang. This is why we use Chrome. Because Chrome isn't a little wet napkin. Okay. No, trap. No. Harpsichord, gaming land, mumble rap. That just went nowhere. Harpsichord. Oh, crap. Uh, Platform. Why didn't I save my key? Why didn't I save my key? I'm so stupid. Strudel doodle. Create it, copy it, put it in text edit, you dumb hoe. Did I just okay, no. Alright. So close window, beep 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 beep. Baby, baby. Save. Go. Away. Alright. Um, Gammy Land Trap. Sounds good. I also want to have. Fuck off. Um, I also want to have music theory composition reference. Um, and make a side note. At some point, it would be cool to have a rhythm game that uses hands. Hands.js, I think is what it's called. Good. I'll keep the build pointed at strudel, and I'll do the small wall tests first, then I'll strudel syntax, metadata, mutation, utilities, and spanning theory composition reference. Park the rhythm game hands.js idea as a future note, checking the current strudel files and package scripts so that the test harness fits the project instead of dragging the whole testing framework. Okay, so also what I'm going to do now that I have this up here, and also this thing doesn't, okay, please, chord jam. Please just make anything. Anything. Just anything besides that. That'd be great. Okay. No. It's not what we want. It's not what we want. I'm gonna have to open this shit and debug it. It's gonna be annoying as hell. Is it because I'm using 5.5? Yeah, I actually have another strudel bot that we can use. Okay. And I'm gonna see yeah, it's not well, let me come back to that. Um Get dev server running locally. Thank you. Oops. Skip. Yes. Dev server running locally. Please. Thank you. Doobie doop doop. Test on please. Composition. Okay. Check on what encoding overloaded. Suck my dick. Consider turning down video settings. Drop frame 0. Well, I'm using 20% of your CPU. I don't care. I'll help you out, buddy. I'll help you out, buddy. Delete some running programs. Beep, beep, beep. One small beep, beep. Expectation. Beep, beep. Okay. I wonder where Strudel Masher ended up. Oh, there it is. Text overlay. I can't say where to go today. Text overlay. Your mom's gay. The fuck? Alright, I'm doing this for now because I just don't want to have the fucking animation running because it's tripping me out. I guess I can check YouTube on this machine now. I don't want to miss any comments from my adoring fans. So pink, man. Audio. It's fucking amazing. Like, yeah. Okay, reloading apples and especially composition tab. Composition's really interesting when it comes to AI. Making it know how to make an actually good song with like turns is not easy. Um, oh, cool as a doctor. Okay. Okay. So localhost 2001. So here's another one I made more recently. Emo trap country. Okay, so this one's actually using 5.5. So it's actually better to use this. Even though it doesn't have a player built in, but you can open the REPL here. Let's see what it gives us. This is just the what? No. Yeah, that doesn't work. Oh, so I guess this is not as good. So can you just make me a simple simple pop thingy. See, this is what you're into. And actually, I'm glad that you're seeing this because it'll give you some really good looking code, and the syntax will be all fucked the fuck up. Da, 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 da. Yeah, we like to. Can you hear that? No. Stop. Hold on. All right. See, that's actually something. So put it here in our. Well, I'll start a new bank here. La dee 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 dee. And make new. Do play. All right. Alrighty. So we save that. So basically, that's just working code so that I can give the new guy some reference points of shit that doesn't suck. Composition reference future note. Fix along the way. Why won't this run? Okay. I'm scared. I really don't want to even try to do this yet. I hate this. Okay. Like, I honestly hate this so much. And honestly, I hate this. Like, there's no reason for these to be here. Or this. Like, okay. All right. So this thing is working in patches. I see. Composition, wrong story code. Okay. So I want to just make a couple more things here. Um, let's try Witch House Yacht Rock Anthem. Um, Jake Paul. How will it interpret that? No. Yeah, as I suspected. It doesn't do these. Stop it. Okay, yeah, it's not gonna work. It doesn't like that. Okay, so Witch House. I just really need you to keep shit simple, I guess. It doesn't, you can't just throw in a random Jake Paul and expect it to give you its everyday bro. All right. Mother flipper. Why? Why is this not working? something about the stack. How did this work up here? Okay, I need, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to put a, okay, um, yeah. Can you add something that, um, I'm gonna say, can you add something for when a code block doesn't run properly, like a doctor button, so that when it's broken, it can fix itself. So hungry and sweaty. I'm not happy with how this looks at all. But I guess it's good to have it laid out, but not really. The thing is, so the thing I'm most proud of that I ever built is like, I literally worked on it for 4 days before I had a UI. Like, if you don't do it that way, you just end up with fucking spaghetti. Text overlay. That's gotta be the first song. There's some this with analog video. Yes, I do. Joshua, who are you, by the way? But so when I moved to Bali, I actually had to leave my video board in America. But I want to get a new one. VCRs are expensive, man. This is actually like a continuation of that same project, so I'm just doing it digitally now because you know what? It takes oops. It takes way less carrying crap around. But yeah, eventually, hopefully, there will be some kind of VHS. Yeah. Well, I mean, the board that I bought, the board I had before, it's not actually that bad, I don't think. Here, I'll put you guys on real quick. Um, what is it? A Yamaha video editing board. Um, is it Yamaha? Yeah. Wait. Analog video editing switcher. Um, CRT gaming, get out of here, bro. Kill your sadness, bro. See, people are getting so gay with this stuff. Um, what the fuck's the thing called? VFX board. It'll come to me. I just, don't remember. Doobie doo. These are all too new, don't want it. Analog. Oh wow. Dude, I was early to this wave. Damn. Damn. I should unprivate some of my old stuff. Um these are what's popular. I never I know it was Panasonic. Video editor. Whew, that's sexy. I had the little keyboard and everything. Ooh, that's snazzy. See, these are not that expensive. I mean, even when I bought the shit, it was like 150 bucks. But I can't find the one that I have. Panasonic video switcher. Why are you sending me down a rabbit hole, my friend? Why are you doing this to me? All right, it'll be something in here, or I'll get close. Because I actually, I'm glad you brought this up. And of course, now that I'm doing this, some fucking agent is going to be like, ooh, this is the new thing. Ooh, ooh, let's jack it and play them all. Yay, let's play them all. It was a Panasonic. Ah, that's chill. Okay. Yeah, something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this, something like that, but not really like that. There's like a thingy in the middle to let you move from side to side there now. hmm None of these are what I'm looking for though. Yeah, and then you have to have the CRTs. It's like you have to have the switcher. Panasonic MX10. If it is, dude, you get a cookie. No. No. Oh yeah. Panasonic video mixer. Oh, WJ. It was WJ. That's it. WJ. WJ mixer. Yeah. WJ Av 5, and they're still 150 bucks. That's what's up. What inflation? What inflation? Seriously. Actually, I think I had a 7. Yeah. Should I buy it? Should somebody buy it? Someone should buy it for me. Does it come with the important thing is, does it come with the keyboard? Anyway, this one is the dankest. What does it say? Missing what? Missing buttons. Okay, there we go. All right. Sorry about that. So yeah. So okay. Analog shit. Doing analog video shit with one of these boards, two CRT TVs, two VCRs, a camera, and a little one of those critter and guitar doohickeys. It's a lot of shit to tow around. So yeah, but I might be back in the business for one of those if I can find my keyboard, or I guess I could just make my own. All right, so let's get this little thing going here. The code box, not the doctor, next door to people. Okay, so email, trap, country, boop, doop, doop, boop, doop, boop, boop. You can't see this window, can you? Chrome. There we go. Yeah, you couldn't see any of that I was doing. That's fine. Okay. Enrico, doctor. It just doesn't. It just don't play. Tell me something good. All right. What the hell? Update. Yeah, it still doesn't work. See, I'm getting so sidetracked. This is what I need. Um, it gets stuck after the first stack. Okay. That's pretty good. Alrighty. So can you give me like a um what's the guy, ludicrous type beat? No. Okay. Oh yeah. This could actually be useful. Okay. Um so which house meets, or how about Jake Paul, which house? Can you still hear me? Doobie doop. Yeah. It's every day, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's every day, bro. Sorry, I'm like obsessed with that song. That fucking scraping noise is terrifying. Okay. Cool, cool. So we're getting some. See, we're getting some good. So how about Sophie? Sophie produces um, Kodak Black. I guess I can check the chat on my little creator appy. Appy dappy. Oh, please don't fuck up my audio. Why don't they have a chat on here, yo? Stupid, stupid. All right. Oop. Okay. Alrighty. I'm like obsessed with Kodak Black lately too. So. All right. I love it. I love it. I love it. I fucking love it. I fucking love Gucci's audio's feature. All right. So I want it to kind of have a little more. Oh, great. Those didn't save. Gotcha. Like that didn't even happen. That did not just happen. Oh, you have to hit update. Okay. Let me go back and get those other things then. Oh yeah, so we have to make this a bit bigger, or make this a bit smaller, and then copy that one. Stop that one. Nah. Update. Yeah, I know, we understand. This is like the ludicrous type beat. Okay. Update. there was one more. So I would like to have more breadth. So do you guys want to come up? Maybe like something uh, like something more classic. So that doesn't even work. Okay, you can just kill that one. You don't need it. Something more classic and maybe something more, maybe like what, like a um Gary Newman style ballad. Apparently, every time I open the chat, it does silly things to my Bluetooth audio. So I might like take a little breaky break and let you guys come up with some suggestions for stuff. Yes, yes, yes. We love it. We love it. So, do I have some OBS thingy for? We'll be right back. Weather map. All right. Yeah, sure. Okay. And I probably should get some like little loading music. Yeah, some little beep boop doop. Yeah, I'll set some little beep boopy doops. Hold music. Hold music. Isn't it funny how when I put in a doctor, now all of a sudden all the shit runs? All right, I'm gonna go get some water and something to eat, maybe. You guys come up with some ideas. potato microwave with ground clove and coriander. All right. And now we're gonna, well, I guess if I open YouTube on here, it won't actually fuck up my audio. So, all right. It's potato hour. In this installment of the delicious dish, sweet potato, butter, clove, coriander. Thanks, new fan, old fan. Stay tuned for the album. Okay, so we've got some good little examples here. Why is the fucking Jake Paul Rich House like the dopest one? Oh shit. Got my delicious dish all over my keyboard. It's a mukbang too, you guys. Okay. I should probably have like 10 of these. And I don't want them to all be so dark. I'm just gonna eat my potato and think. Gamelan, harpsichord, and I asked GPT. Give me a wide range of like 30 musical styles. Ambient drone, dub techno, minimal techno, electro. So see, these are all pretty standard, typical genres, right? What I would want to do is take each one of these genres and have the example be something that I made that I actually like, so that it's not just pulling from like Dead Mouse 5. So, or like whatever's out there, you know? Um, yeah, I'm glad that I'm making this stream because I'm gonna have to just delete the last one that I did, the Landamu one, because my password is exposed. I mean, not like I give a shit, but there's someone out there, there's some little girly out there who will go in my Landamu and will fuck it all up. So I have to make it private. All right. So this was the beginning of this. I'm going to stop this here. Thanks for hanging out with me. I will come back to this a little later. This is an ongoing job, so I might even be back tonight. I don't know. It depends on how much Adderall I get. I'm just kidding. I'll be back tomorrow.